Hi, I've got my copy of Essentials 2019 open. I've created a simple test plan. And I wanted to show you guys the best way to share your files with others that have the same software or like at Home Talk. Best thing to do is to go over to File, Backup Entire Plan, left click. You get this little dialog here. I usually choose Send Backup Files to Zip Archive. Now I'm using a Windows machine, and this is germane to Windows. I don't have a Mac, so this is not applicable to Mac. I'm going to click OK, which will get you another dialog. And then this dialog is where you choose to place the file. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'm going to name it Test. Now I can do this while the program is open. See, now it's packing all the materials and the .plan file and so forth into one archive. Here it is right here. Inside that, you double click on it, and dialog opened on my other monitor. And there's all the stuff that's in it. All the material files and the plan file right there. All that while Essentials is open. And what happens is if you take this test plan and I'll just use this one here. This is what prompted me to make the video because Eric suggested to this poster that he upload his plan, and a lot of people who are not experienced with this make a mistake. And I'm going to go in and click on Apply and choose Files, and this is open in Essentials. If I select that, I'm going to delete this post later. Okay, so there's a plan. While the plan's open in Essentials, our Pro or Architectural, Suite, Interiors operates the same. So when you try to download that plan, I just downloaded it. Show in folder. And there's a test plan. Okay. Well, they must have changed their operating basis because it did open. Now I've got two versions open. Okay. But the best way is upload it. I'm going to edit this post, and I'm going to delete. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're going to delete that. Now I'm going to drag my browser over a little bit and get that, not that one. Well, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I see it now. I'm going to drag that over here. The test zip. Anyways, it's a better way to transfer files and share your files with other chief and home designer software users, and it compresses it to a small size. And then when somebody downloads this and takes a look at it, it'll look exactly like it looks on your machine, whether you have a Mac or a PC. So it's very efficacious to do it this way, as opposed to doing it with the software open, which I'm surprised I got a result. But anyway, That's what I wanted to communicate to you. Thank you.